Thank you, Arjun. Now let's move on to our first speaker. But before that, it's a moment to reflect on our day. Akshara will share thought for the day.
That's right, Tanish. Akshara, please share your thoughts.
Happy morning, everyone. Myself Akshara from Grade-VI Jasper. Now I am here to tell a thought. Education is the best policy that you can believe in your life. I repeat again, education is the best policy that you can believe in your life. Thank you.
Inspiring. Now let's hear from Shiva, who will talk to us about cricketer Vijay Shankar.
I am sure Shiva will share some exacting insights about Vijay Shankar journey. Shiva, please go ahead.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Shiva from Grade-VI Jasper. Now I am going to say one of my favorite cricketer, Vijay Shankar. Vijay Shankar is an amazing all-rounder and he was born on Jan 26, 1991. His father name is Shankar and his mother name is Rama Shankar and his brother name is Ajay Shankar. And he came from small town in Tamil Nadu to play for India. What I admire from Vijay Shankar is about determination and hard work. And he is playing for CSK in IPL. Thank you. Speaker is Ajay, who will talk to us about our school.
Oh, that's a great topic, Tanish. Ajay, please share some interesting facts about our school.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Ajay from Grade-VI Jasper. Today I am going to tell about my school. My school name is SR Vidyaniketan, which is located in Veerapuram, Gadwal. Our school provide many facilities like residential, semi-residential, good teachers, and who are backbone of our school. They make us learn to us, and our school provides many sports like kabaddi, cricket, kho-kho. Every Sunday they will give tournaments and for inter-house competitions and so many categories. And our school is not a home, just it is a temple where we can learn many things and grow. Thank you. Who will talk to us about Sadio Mane, the famous footballer?
I am sure Harshit will share some exacting stories about Sadio Mane's career. Harshit, please go ahead.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Harshit. I am here to talk about Sadio Mane. Sadio Mane was born in poor family in Senegal. His aim is to become football player, but he don't have proper boots and money to train. And no education, no proper hospitals. Daily he used to walk 7 kilometers and go for football stadium to train. And he used to walk 7 kilometers. Daily he used to walk 14 kilometers. And one day his father died. So he thought I should build proper hospital, education and some schools. So he went daily and now he is the famous footballer who is playing for Senegal and doing one-man show. Thank you.
From Varnika. That's right, Tanish. Varnika will keep on updated on current events. Happy morning, everyone. I am Varnika from 6 Jasper to update you with news. India's new parliament building is set to be completed by 2025. Delhi's air quality showed a significant improvement due to heavy rainfall and wind speed. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) predicted a slowdown in global economic growth. Thank you.
Talking about healthy food.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Chavita of Grade-VI Jasper. Today I am going to tell a short speech on healthy food. Actually, what is healthy food? Healthy food is the food that is essential for our body and mind. Healthy food, when we eat healthy food like nuts, whole grains and fruits, vegetables, we'll stay active and happy, and also it will boost our immune power. On the other hand, junk food is also very tasty and yummy, but it does nothing but harms our health. We'll get obesity problem and heart attacks. And some children also getting heart attacks and obesity problem. Unhealthy food makes us tired and weak. So friends, please eat healthy food and stay happy. And when director sir comes into canteen and checks our food, when we are not eating healthy like vegetables, he'll make us to eat. What is the reason behind it? Vegetables make us healthy and happy. So friends, try to eat healthy food. Thank you.
Speaker is Yashwini, who will talk to us about freedom fighters.
That's great topic, Tanish. Yashashwini, please share your thoughts with us.
Happy morning everyone. This is Yashashwini of Grade-VI Jasper, here to say about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. His full name was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is also known as father of Indian Constitution. He was born to a Mahar caste which was treated as untouchable, and they were living out of the main village and they were not allowed inside the village. He was the first person from his caste who completed his college education and went to England to become a lawyer. He fought for the rights of Dalit community. He also encouraged Dalits to send their children to schools and colleges. Later, his life converted to Buddhism in the search for a religion that treated all members equally. At last, I want to conclude my speech with a small quotation. Respect is not for a few, but for all. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashashwini. That's all for today's school assembly.
Thanks to all our speakers and participants. Have a great day, everyone.